It's Tuesday, 27th May, 10:30 p.m. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, presenting you the domestic and international news prepared for this session live from our headquarters in Asmara. I'm Hermel Lagrmai, inviting you to join us on our tonight's news broadcast. Let's start with the major headlines. Messages of congratulations. Funeral service of Minister Abraha. ASEAN leaders adopt Kuala Lumpur Declaration for next 20-year development. And Britain, 27 hospitalized following Liverpool parade ramming incident. In our detailed domestic news, the Secretary General of the United Nations, as well as the leaders of Malta and Mongolia, have sent messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of the 34th Independence Day anniversary. Mr. Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations, Fra John Dunlop, Prince and Grand Master of the Sovereign Military Order of Malta, and President Khurelsukh Okhna of Mongolia conveyed their best wishes for good health to President Isaias Afwerki, as well as peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. The leaders also expressed their country's readiness to further develop and strengthen bilateral relations for the mutual benefits of their nations and Eritrea. In other news, the funeral service of veteran fighter and Minister of Local Government Abraha was held at Asmara Martyrs Cemetery in the presence of President Isaias Afwerki, ministers, senior government and PFDJ officials, army commanders, family members, and a large number of nationals. Veteran freedom fighter Minister Abraha began his political career in 1961 as a member of the Eritrean Liberation Movement. He formally joined the EPLF in 1974 and was elected to the Central Committee during the two of the EPLF Congresses. He was also elected as a member of the PFDJ Central Committee and the National Assembly at the 3rd Congress held in 1994. Minister played a pivotal role in consolidating EPLF mass associations, serving as chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Workers from 1979 till 1987, and as chairman of the coordinating committee of the National Unions of Eritrean Workers, Students and Women. Following Eritrea's independence, Minister served with dedication in various high-level government positions, including head of the Ports and Marine Transport Authority, governor of the Central Region, Eritrean ambassador to Germany, governor of the Southern Red Sea region, Minister of Transportation and Communication, and finally as Minister of Local Government. President Isaias Afwerki laid a wreath on the tomb of Minister Abraha on behalf of the Eritrean government. Mr. Yamane Gabrab laid a wreath on behalf of the PFDJ ambassador, Abdullah Musa, governor of the Ansaba region, on behalf of the Ministry of Local Government, and Mrs. Melawit a daughter of the veteran fighter. Minister Abraha passed away on 24th May on the age of 87 in Asmara due to illness. In other news, nationals residing in Switzerland, Canada, Angola and France have celebrated the 34th Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal under the theme, Our Cohesion, Our Armor. The celebratory event in Geneva, Switzerland was attended by over 4,600 nationals, members of the diplomatic community and friends of Eritrea. Speaking at the event, Mr. Haptom Zarai, charged the affairs at the Eritrean Embassy and permanent representative of Eritrea to the United Nations Office and other international organizations, congratulated the people and government of Eritrea and its defense forces. He noted that Independence Day, beyond its festivity, is a time to review the progress made in fulfilling the objectives of the mission. Mr. Tawalde Johannes, Head of Public and Community Affairs, commended the invited guests for their presence and the organizers of hosting the colorful event. He also expressed satisfaction at seeing nationals of various ages and gender celebrating the Independence Day anniversary in unity and harmony. The 34th Independence Day anniversary was also enthusiastically celebrated in Canadian cities including Toronto, London, Hamilton, Kitchener, Montreal, Ottawa, Vancouver, Winnipeg, Saskatoon, Calgary, Halifax, Edmonton, and others. These events, attended by numerous nationals and invited guests, featured cultural and artistic programs highlighting the significance of the day. At the event in Toronto, Mrs. Amaresh Merrahtu, Managing Director of the Office of the General Counsel, delivered a speech regarding the occasion. Nationals in various cities across Angola marked the 34th Independence Day anniversary with patriotic fervor. The celebrations featured sports and cultural programs by students from the Eritrean Community School. Nationals in the French cities of Rennes, Angers, Toulon, and Dijon also celebrated the 34th Independence Day anniversary with enthusiasm, featuring a variety of programs. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for our international news right after the short break. Welcome back. A key document guiding the next 20 years of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations grouping was unveiled here on Monday following its endorsement by ASEAN leaders gathered at the 46th ASEAN Summit. Among the key decisions made under the declaration in the formal adoption of the ASEAN Community Vision 2045 and its accompanying strategic plans across 4 pillars, namely political security, economic, socio-cultural, and connectivity. Established in 1967, the grouping includes Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. In other news, a British man has been arrested after he plowed his minivan Monday into a parade of Liverpool soccer fans celebrating their team's victory in the Premier League Championship. The police said the 53-year-old believed to be the only one involved in the incident and that it was not being investigated as an act of terrorism. Nearly 50 people were injured in the crash, including several children, with ambulance services saying 27 of them were taken to hospital for treatment. Police have not released any additional details about the driver or his motivations yet. It is also not clear how the man was able to drive at the crowd through a street that was closed to cars. According to reports, such an act of terrorism attacking a crowd of people by cars is increasing from time to time. Dear viewers, we are done with the news prepared for this session, and now it's time for a quick recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations. Funeral service of Minister Michael Abraha. ASEAN leaders adopt Kuala Lumpur Declaration for next 20-year development. And Britain, 27 hospitalized following Liverpool parade ramming incident. Ladies and gentlemen, that was all for tonight. Thank you for having us and have a blessed one.